Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we will guide you on how to remove channel on WhatsApp. So let's dive right in. To begin, open the WhatsApp app and go to the Update tab. On Android phones, you'll see the Updates tab at the bottom left corner of your WhatsApp screen. For iPhone users, the Updates tab is all the way to the right of the Chats tab. Scroll through the list of updates until you find the channel you want to delete. Tap on the channel name to open it and view its message history and information. Once you're inside the channel, tap on the channel name again. This will take you to the channel's info screen, which displays details like the channel description, creation date, and participants, if it's not a private channel. Now, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the channel info screen. You should see an option labeled Delete Channel. Tapping Delete Channel will initiate the deletion process. A confirmation pop-up will appear, asking you to confirm your decision. WhatsApp wants to make sure you don't accidentally delete your channel. If you're absolutely positive, tap Delete again on the confirmation pop-up. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.